We know that the topic of violence is not alien to women, and neither are their encounters with the law. But how has the law dealt with violence against women? Has it contributed to the issue rather than resolving it? In my inaugural lecture, I will explore this uneasy relationship between violence, law, and women's lives. I will discuss this across 3 themes. Firstly, conflict-related sexual violence. Secondly, online and digital violence against women. And thirdly, the impact that withdrawal of certain rights and laws has on women's lives and the violence they are subjected to as a result. Join me to have your say.